In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple accounts, adding credit card information can streamline your financial processes and make expense tracking a breeze. Let's dive into the steps to get this done smoothly. To begin, you'll want to launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar Sign In option. Click on it. Signing in ensures that you have access to all your QuickBooks Online features and helps keep your account secure. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose the platform you're using. In our case, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This selection directs you to the specific portal made for QuickBooks Online users. Now type in your login credentials. You'll need your registered email or user ID and of course your password. Once you've entered this information, hit Continue to move forward. With your credentials successfully entered, you should find yourself inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Next, navigate your way over to the Bank Transactions tab. This tab is a key area where you manage all your financial connections. You can typically find it in the left-hand menu under Banking, and clicking it takes you to the page where you can see all your bank accounts and transactions linked to QuickBooks. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, look towards the top right corner for a button labeled Link Account. Click on this button as it's the gateway to adding new bank accounts or credit cards. Here is where you will begin the process of linking your credit card to QuickBooks Online. In the new window that opens, you'll see an option to either select from a list of popular banks and credit cards or enter your institution's details manually. If your bank or credit card issuer is listed, simply click on it. Otherwise, you can search for it using the search bar. Now that you've identified your credit card, you'll be prompted to provide your credit card details, which typically include your account name, credit card number, and perhaps some security questions to verify your identity. With your credit card details entered, proceed with the login process specific to your credit card provider. This step is important as it allows QuickBooks to interact with your credit card in a secure manner, fetching transaction data directly from your provider. Once all of this is done, simply follow the prompts to finalize linking your credit card or bank details. Following these steps will allow your credit card transactions to automatically sync with QuickBooks Online, saving you time and helping you keep your financial data organized and up to date. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.